Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable ringtone on Webull account. So first we're going to go to the Webull app. You guys can find it in the App Store, Play Store. Then once you guys are here, you're going to click on the profile section on the lower right corner. Then next we're going to click on settings. So again, you're going to click on message settings. So you're going to click on ringtone here. So you guys can select any of the ringtones here. Then once you're done, you're going to click on done. So when you receive any Webull in-app notifications, your ringtone will be in use. So that's the importance of this setting. It's a very simple process. Make sure to also check our other videos as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.